This week's Torah reading is called Bamidbar, translated in the desert. Yet you know that most translations of the fourth book translated as Numbers. Why Numbers? Because the opening sequence is about taking the census of the Jewish people. And one wonders, why do we need to take a census? After all, there's no economic statistics we need. There are no statistics needed for political purposes or welfare purposes. Why have a census? And yet there's something very, very deep in the idea of counting everybody. You know, when people count you in, you count. It means it lends self-esteem. It lends a sense of personal purpose. The king and the garbage collector are both included in the one census, value as one. Not only that, it allows the person who's counted to seek to improve themselves. They want to be even more than what they are. So when you deal with your family members, when you deal with your employees, with anybody, make sure you accord significance to them. Each person counts, and that way they improve.